This is number 32 in our Chapter 4 review, where we're asked to solve for x. And again, we notice that we have an equation. So what we want to do first is determine what would the least common denominator be if we were getting common denominators. Well, let's focus on the numbers first. 4 and 5 and 10 all divide into 20. So 20 is a part of that least common denominator. But we also notice that there's an x in some of those denominators. So what we're going to need to do is multiply through, instead of getting common denominators, multiply through by 20x. So I'm going to multiply that first term by 20x. I'm going to multiply the second term by 20x. And I'm going to multiply the last term by 20x. Everything has to be multiplied by 20x. What's going to happen then is our denominators are going to cancel. So 20 in the first fraction there, the x's will cancel, and 20 divided by 4 is 5. In the second fraction, the x's won't, there aren't any x's that cancel, but 5 goes into 20x 4x times. And in the last one, 10x goes into 20x 2 times. So all of our denominators have disappeared. In the first fraction, we have 5 times 3, which is 15. In the second fraction, we have 4x times 4, which is 16x. And in the last fraction, we have 9 times 2, which is 18. And now we merely need to solve for x. Someone at Domino's made excellent pizza, so we're going to undo this addition first by subtracting 15 from both sides. And we'll have 16x is equal to 3. And then we have multiplication to undo, so we need to divide. So we're going to divide both sides by 16, and we'll get x is equal to 3/16, which does not reduce. We can check that by plugging it into the equation for x on both sides to make sure that the two sides of the equal sign come out equal to one another.